Hey everyone, I have a quick tip on how to change the AF point on your EOS mirrorless camera. Now you may be familiar with either the 4-way touchpad or the joystick on your DSLR camera if you're shooting with one. These allow you to toggle through the multiple AF points, but with the new mirrorless cameras having wider AF coverage and over 5,000 AF points to choose from, it might take a while to get to, well, let me get to the point. I'm going to show you a great feature that will speed up your AF selection on the Canon EOS R and RP camera. Touch and Drag AF allows you to quickly move the AF point by dragging your finger across the rear LCD when looking through the electronic finder. Now you can find this feature in the first tab of the autofocus menu. After you enable Touch and Drag AF, select between relative and absolute in the positioning method. Absolute positioning allows you to touch the spot where you want the camera to focus and the AF frame will move there quickly. Relative positioning means that no matter where you touch the screen, the AF frame will move in the direction you drag by an amount corresponding to the amount you drag. I feel that relative positioning on the EOS R works best for me. Next, choose the active touch area. This allows you to activate the whole screen or different sections, whatever you're comfortable with or whatever works best for you. Not only is this compatible with the one-point selection, but you can choose this feature with any of the AF methods. If you need to be able to enable or disable Touch and Drag AF quickly, you can set a customizable button in the custom setting menu. I hope this quick tip helped you out. Let us know what you think about the Touch and Drag AF on the EOS R and RP, and should Canon add the joystick on their next full-frame mirrorless camera? Is it something you'd like to see? Well, let us know in the comment section below. This is Adam from Digital Goja. I'll catch you in the next one.